Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this awesome looking smartwatch. It is called FY16 and it is done by a company called FIYPO. And yes, this is very small packaged but is jam-packed, has a lot of things in it, and it is very reasonably priced as I am showing you right now. I do not want to forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family. Make sure you click the notification icon, select all in order to get notified once we have a new video out. On top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We love to help you out ASAP. And don't forget to click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos quickly with a little more detail every time. This is how it really looks. I really like the way that they are packaged it very small. There's a few little things that I wanted to mention. First, the name, also the picture is really nice. Also the model number is right in the front. But once you go to the side, it gives you all the options. But when you go to the back, it also tells you that you can do call and the screen size, heart monitoring, sleep monitoring, multi-sports, and message notifications. Here's one more thing. The color, which color you're going to get, it's marked in the bottom. Alright, so let's go through and open it. Now for that, you have a little slider that you got to slide out, and the watch is sitting right on the top. Now it looks really slick the way that they have placed it. Now we're going to take it out. Really nice and easy, just comes out. And let's see what's involved inside of the box. There are two packages inside. Now these are just regular, and these are the components that are part of the box. It comes with this user manual, and the user manual, once you open it, it shows you exactly how you will be able to play with it, the front and also the back, and what app you need to install, which we will install in a couple of seconds, how it's going to be connected, what stuff you're going to be able to process, so it is just written. But once you go to the bottom, it talks about audio Bluetooth connection and also and how you will be able to charge. I'm going to show that in this video. Go next is how you will be able to pick up calls, go through the apps and more all over here. But there is more inside of it and a little more detail, but that's about it. One side is just a USB connection, but if you look really closely on the other side is where you're going to be finding these little pins that will be connecting to your watch in order to get it charged. And these two are magnets, so that way it doesn't move. Now it does come with this plastic wristband, and here's the big moment, the watch itself. Now it's designed really nice. Alright, so looking at the watch itself, there is a lot of connections here. So the wristband will be connecting on the top and also in the bottom. But looking in the back part of it, you have the sensor, so that way you can grab your heartbeat. And in the bottom part of it is where you're going to be able to connect your charger. Going to the sides of it, there's a little cut over here. Looks like that's a speaker. Then going on the other side of it, you just have one button, which is a little knob that you can turn also. And that is for your power to turn it on and off. And also you can select things on the screen. But the screen itself is also touch, and you can see that I already put some fingerprints on it. Alright, so let's go through and turn it on. So hold it for a couple of seconds, and you will hear it that is turning on, and you will see it that this is how it looks. So in order to charge it, it's very easy. You just grab your charger and then give it a shot, and it connects very easily. So we needed to make this at least about 10% before we can use it. Alright, so once you have it ready, you just have to press the button so you can turn on, and here you go. Now through this you can flip and you can see the different pages that they have, something like making a call, also how many steps you have taken, and your sleep pattern. That's beautiful. And also you can get your heartbeat. So you can set it up and you can check to see exactly how much in the back of it that it is blinking. That means it's trying to figure out our heartbeat, except that you can also play some music on it, and that's about it. So you got to press home, it goes over here. Now another feature that it has is when you're scrolling up or down. So when you go up, your messages notifications will show up, and if you go scroll down, you see more settings. So even the flashlight will turn on, and except that you can go back to it, you can make the brightness to be really bright, or you can make it dimmer. So this way your battery lasts longer, and then the time on the top shows up. You also have the weather widget right in the front, and you also have your settings. So if you want to go to settings, just select it. In here you can find all of the settings. It's starting from QR code, about, also your power off, your reset, also your brightness, your timer, and your stopwatch is all going to be underneath of this. So we can scan the QR code, and then once it finds it, we just have to say open. Now you have to go to your Google Play Store and download the VFit. Now once you get it, just click on install, give it a couple of seconds for it to get installed. Now once it's done, you can click on open and just follow the steps on the screen. So we're going to click on agree, and then we have to register if you don't have an account. So you have to click on the little button for finding the watch, and it found it. I just have to click on it for it to pair. So I'm just waiting for it. There you go. Now it says paired successfully, and that's it. We're set up. You can see the phone on the top, and there you go. So that means is when I get a call, it directly goes to the watch itself, so we can play with it. But there's a lot of things in this, and you can see that when you press on it for a couple of seconds, it will allow you to change your dialer, they call it, or in this case theme, that you can change to different ones. But that's not the only thing. When you select it, it looks perfect. So we have done some tests. So in the app itself, you have a lot of functions. And once you connect it, this is how everything looks. So if you go to the actual name, your information will come up, and then the equipment. So it shows your phone, and it talks about background running permission. Going down, it has more information there, even playing music control and more. It's all going to be underneath of it. But your movement is something that you already done. You can click on it, and that way it will start. But once you go to the main screen is where you're going to see everything. So this is for today. Now all of my information that I've done is from 1 or 2 days. So you can see that it went through and it checked my heartbeat rate, so it works. That's what I'm trying to say. And then also my sleep pattern, I didn't really wear it, but it works. So once you see these things as a settings, it really works. What I really like is when you go to your equipment, when you go on the top, and you want to change your dialer is the name. But if you go to dialer market, here are the pictures that are already in it, or the main launcher. You can click on more, and here's the best part. And there is way more icons that you're looking for. So you can go through them and you can play with it. So that way you can choose more icons or main launcher for your watch itself. So it's not just stuck on few numbers. And again, with the price that it comes in and how much quality pictures they give you, I really like this. So if you want to go through and set up something totally different on your watch itself, you can do it just directly from this app itself. As long as you pair it, your all information will be stored from your watch to your phone very, very quickly. So you can see right now that I'm just keep changing and going through to find one that I really like. So there's a bunch of them that I really like. I can just select it, and there you go. And then you just say confirm, and it goes through to download it for you in a couple of seconds. Now all the links will be available in the bottom where you can order this from, and also if you need help, ask at the bottom of the video. I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment on the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is xctex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places. And thank you.